Engine number 671 is the oldest European steam locomotive still in regular service. She stars in a panorama video Vom Grubenhund zum Stockwaggon. In English, from cauldron to double-deck carriage. This film story is told by me, railway specialist and BBC presenter, Bob Symes. The GKB is Austria's biggest private railway company. It now prides itself on an extensive and modern vehicle park. But we also have a look at the company's beginnings to be found in the GKB's Railway Museum. The Graz-Koeflacher Railway. Vom Grubenhund zum Stockwaggon.